welcome to the box. Yes, I got another box. I got it yesterday, so I'm filming it today because I did not have the time yesterday, and I will try to edit and upload it today. Shouldn't be a problem, I think, I hope. I don't know. Who cares? It is a box and it is pretty heavy, so I'm hoping for some good stuff. Now, let's begin. Lego Superheroes Marvel. What is this? Is this the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2? I did not like Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2, and I have no interest in this ship. It's small. It's maybe would be interested in a big, because it's kind of fun to put together, but not this tiny thing. I have absolutely no interest in this, and that's why I'm not gonna even put it together, because I will try to sell it instead. Hopefully I will be able to. I don't know how many people care about a tiny what is it called? Manila or something? Oh, it's Milano. The Milano. Oh yeah, after Alyssa Milano, that's right. So, I just realized that I am. Hopefully, it will not sound that bad in the mic. We will see. Yeah, this is not so interesting. Lego. I'm not that interested in Legos because everything just looks like Legos. I prefer things like when I got the Game of Thrones builder thing from McFarlane. That was a lot more interesting because that didn't look like just Lego, you know. Even though I'm not a big fan of Game of Thrones, it's still more interesting than this. Okay, let's see what's next. Speak of the devil and he shall appear. Game of Thrones. 2 Game of Thrones mugs. Oh, yeah. Yeah. What does that say? Focus on that thing. Officially licensed. Yeah, okay. Whether you're the king beyond the wall or the Khaleesi of the great grass sea, there's something in our range you'll enjoy. With a collection of officially licensed ceramic mugs, you'll be well equipped to toast the victory and drink to the fallen in the wars to come. Let's see what it says on whether you're the king. Same thing. I don't know. I have enough mugs. I have so many mugs. It's ridiculous. I have to get rid of some mugs. And I'm not interested in Game of Thrones. I don't think it's very good. But I guess my sister-in-law, she really likes Game of Thrones, so maybe she will want them, or maybe I will sell them. I don't know. We will see. Yeah, her birthday is next month. She doesn't watch these videos. I don't even think she knows I'm making them. So if I give them to her, she won't know a thing. Yeah, not interested. Thank you very much. I mean, the mugs are probably very nice. Maybe I should just do a quick look-see. Come on, it shouldn't be that hard. Just be careful. Let's see. Yeah, it's more of a beer mug, I guess. Beer style. But yeah, no, not for me. Sorry. Okay. Well, this is crap. I do like Watchmen. Is the TV show out? I don't know. I like the movie. I like the graphic novel. But but this is shit. This is pure crap. It looks like ass. Yeah. Is it better than no, it's not better than Funko Pop. But I don't know if it's worse. It's just not very good. They look like Silk Spectre, Vinimates. What the hell is that? Who watches the Watchmen? Yeah, the movie is really good, and the graphic novel is really good, but this is crap. I have not seen the TV series, as I've said. I don't even know if it's out. I have not read any of the new Watchmen comics. I don't even know if they have their own comic or they're just part of the DC universe as a whole. If the show is out and somebody that watches this video have seen it, please let me know if it's good. Thanks. Yeah, this is crap. It's ugly and it's shit. There's one thing. Batarang. It's Batman. I'm Batman. Let's see what it says. It says Batarang. Non-lethal ranged attack. Target locking guide. And there he is. The Batman. Wayne Industries. I don't think that Batman would put Wayne Industries on his Batarang. That would be kind of stupid. Yeah. But the t-shirt is nice. Yes, I guess. Yes, it's so. Yeah, it's okay. It's nice. I like the colors. It's nice, and I do like Batman. And that's it. That is all. That is all of the box. And it's just one thing that's okay. I mean, yeah, it's good. The quality does feel very nice. It's thicker, which I like. So, yeah, one thing. But to be fair, these things would be pretty nice if I liked Game of Thrones. But yeah, I don't. And it's gotten worse. It's gotten worse. I have not seen the last season, and I will not see this season. I've seen everything before. I have read the books, and the books aren't very good either. So yeah, that's it.